Here's an imported classic at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1973 Triumph GT6 Mark III. Good looking coupe. Underneath the hood, inline 6-cylinder, 2-liter or 1998 cc engine. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome bumper up front. Bright work on the car, looking good. I'd call this a carmine red. Paint shows well. Take your time looking through the still pictures, and speaking of showing well, in the still pictures, look at the underside of this car. Unbelievable. Engine bay interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Kumo radials. Steel wheels. Of course, the clamshell style hood. We're going to check out underneath the hood here in just a bit. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take this car for a drive at the very end of this video, so you can see how it goes down the road. We'll put the camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little closer. You can see the panels are nice and straight. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. When you look at the underside pics, you're going to see newer stainless exhaust on there. Coming around to the rear, you can see, again, the chrome and the bright work. Nice shape on this car. The GT6 Mark III insignia. This car is actually coming out of long-term ownership. Previous owners had this car for over 30 years. Some extras that's going to come with: car cover. Looks like we have a seat cover, a little new upholstery there. Some bright work, some miscellaneous filters, mud flaps, rock guards, parts, what have you. That will be pictured up in the still pictures, and that will go along with this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As we take a look down the driver's side of this car, if you're into these imports, maybe like Triumphs, MGs, what have you, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. I apologize for the noise in the background too. Detail department is hard at it this morning, getting more cars cleaned up and ready to be pictured and videoed. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, these cars are available to purchase off our website, or of course our showroom floor if you can come see us in person. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Looks like seats have been recovered. Black vinyl, nice shape. Interior shows as well as the exterior of this car. The radio does work. It has kind of a retro sound style radio, I guess, if you will. And I'll show you that here in just a second. What the headliner looks good. And again, no rips, tears, holes in the seats. So let's go ahead. Slip in here. Odometer shows 72,752, which could very easily be the original miles. Once a car is a certain age, it is not recorded on the title anymore. It's marked exempt. So I cannot confirm or deny that, but judging by the condition of this car, would not surprise me at all. Pull the choke just a tad. There we go. Again, that inline 6-cylinder, 2-liter. All right, here's that retro sound style stereo. That is working. And you'll be able to see close-up pictures of the dash in the still pictures also. This is just a fasten seatbelt light. No warning indicators. Tack is working. Nice sounding car, smooth runner, that's for sure. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Again, newer stainless exhaust on it. You'll be able to see that in the underside pics. All right, I got a couple latches to get this hood open. I'm going to pause this video a second, get the hood open, we'll check that out. And like I said, stick around to the very end. We're going to take this car for a drive. All right, there's a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. So power brakes. An inline 6. 2-liter. Smooth runner, dual carb setup. There is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage, maybe in between drives. Guessing those are Strombergs. Yes, they are. So good looking engine bay also. All right. 1973 Triumph GT6 Mark III. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1973 Triumph GT6 in a beautiful burgundy color. This is a 4-speed manual. There's a little squeak coming from the steering wheel. Smooth running little Triumph. Our gauges are working, the factory tachometer and speedometer. And we're in fourth. We have a retro sound style radio under the dash. Our fuel gauge is reading a full tank. Temperature gauge is just under half. Blower motor works great on this car, as do the wipers. Simulated leather appearing to me. Bucket seats, very comfortable. I'm 6'1" and I do fit in this car. I've got enough headroom, got enough legroom. Shifting is easy. Nice black interior. Dash pad looks good. Seats and door panels are pretty good. Headliner's nice. This car has wing windows that do vent to open in the back, which is kind of nice. This car having that fastback look to it. Keeper in third, cornering, very light car, doesn't lean much because it's so light, it's so little. Fun to drive car, you don't see very many, especially with this sloping hardtop roof on it. Very cool Triumph. Take a look at all the pictures. About it at uniqueclassiccars.com.